Hey family, how are you all? I hope you're doing fine. My name is Kels and you're watching The Journey of Transformation. Well, today is the day 194 of The Journey of Transformation, and today is 17 March, I guess. And today is, I guess, Tuesday or Thursday, I don't know. Yeah, it's Tuesday. So right now it's 10:28 a.m. while I'm recording this, and yeah, let's start the video. And I know I messed up a lot in the intro right now, but it's because I'm having something in my brain right now. Like I'm processing some feelings and thoughts because I'm going through something. But whatever it is, I'm not gonna give up on my work. So I'm recording this anyway. So here are you all. Look, this is the journey of transformation, and this is the journey about life, change, transformation, making history, proving to the world that if one decides it can do it all. Messages for the world, and there is so much with this journey of transformation. Okay, now let's start with it. Well, today I woke up at about I guess 8:30 a.m. and then I did brush, I emptied my stomach, and then I took a shower, and then I just sat and I was just taking rest. And while I was taking rest, I had a conversation with people I'm close to, and then after conversation, while I was resting, I got a thought which I'm processing still now, and it's the trauma I had, and it's hurting me again and again because it's something happened in the past, and I know that past is gone. I should move on from it, and I already have moved on from it. But it's just that sometimes when we get flashbacks of the things which has happened in our past, we feel it again. So that's happening to me right now. So I'm just processing it and I'm just calming myself. I'm just giving myself warm hug and relaxing. So it's helping me for sure because I already have moved on and I already had a good conversation with myself. I'm just taking care of myself right now. But whatever it is, now let's start the video. Well, hey, hi you all. Look, I'm here to make history, and you can clearly see on the title and the thumbnail of this video that this is the day 194 of the video of design and transformation, right? So you can see this is the journey about consistency and discipline also. And when you really go on my channel and when you really see that I have uploaded more than 376 plus videos, it shows dedication for the work, it shows love for the work, right? And you can clearly see that every video are uploaded, like every video of digital transformation are available. I'm not lying about anything here. I'm not even joking about anything here. Everything I say is a raw and honest conversation with you. Okay, I just start recording and I just start making video like this way. I just start recording and just start yapping about things like what I'm going through, what thoughts I'm having, what I'm thinking, and every single thing I just have an honest conversation with you all. Because look, I have two purposes. First, I'm building a community here, a family who is always there for each other, where we can have conversation about anything we want to have conversation about, where we can share anything we want to share, where we can be just humans and where we can just be ourselves. So that's what I'm doing here also. And that's the reason I told you in the first place, like what's happening to me right now. And as you know, if you're not new here, that I'm going through medication. Like it's already been 1 2 months of my medication. And right now when I'm on medication, I'm just supposed to take rest. And but still I'm choosing to make videos and show up every single day. And I know I'm saying this and it might feel like that I'm just saying this to make myself bigger or make me feel better. But no, it's not that. Look, as I already mentioned, that I have a messages to give this world. And I just want to give this world a message that look, you are a human being and I understand that you go through things, you suffer, you feel, you go through a lot as a human being, and I also go through a lot. And that's the message that if you decide something in your life, then you can really change your life. You can really achieve things you want to achieve. For example, I'm just being the example for the world. I'm just trying to give this world an example of mine that I just started the channel 9 months ago, almost 9 months ago, and from that moment till now, I have suffered a lot. There has been a lot of things that happened to me, like negative comments and negative things happening, and then I was sick also. Like when it was not possible for me to make videos, but I still showed up with that situation, with that kind of voice. I still made videos, and those videos are every video I mentioned and everything I mentioned, it's available in my videos. Like I already have talked about everything. And there was a time when I was going through a lot mentally, and still I chose to show up every single day and make videos. And there was a time when I had a cold and my throat was almost closed because of that, and it was not possible for me to speak, but I still showed up even with that kind of voice, and I made videos with that kind of voice, and those videos are still available. And even after that, I was going through a lot. I was suffering from something, and still I showed up every single day. And right now also I'm on medication and I'm just supposed to take rest. Yes, I have been advised to take rest, and I'm taking care of myself, okay? Even right now I'm just sitting and recording this. So I'm taking good care of myself for sure because it's important. I'm important and I understand that. I take care of myself. So I treat myself like someone I love. And I also say this to you also. Please treat yourself like someone you love. And look, you are an amazing human being. Okay, it's okay whatever you're going through, whatever it is. Please take care of yourself. You are important. You are an amazing human being. Treat yourself like someone you love. Okay, be nice to yourself. Be gentle to yourself. No matter what's happening around you, no matter what's what you're going through, anything it is. Be nice to yourself. Be gentle to yourself. Okay, be human. Be kind. Okay. So yeah, and that's the another thing that I'm here to spread love, spread kindness, spread joy. Because look, I already mentioned that I'm building this family, where we can be humans, where we can be just ourselves. So yeah, this family that I'm building here, you know, this family believes in humanity. This family believes in peace. This family believes in kindness, joy, love, caring, and all human emotions. Okay, so you have to understand this that this family believes in humanity and all human values. So if you are also human being who believes in human values and understands human emotions and all that, then join this family. Okay, we all are human beings at the end of the day, and we all are equal. And even me being the communicator of this channel, I'm not gonna be the main person here. Okay, I'm already mentioning this. I already mentioned this in every most of the videos that look, I'm not trying to be a bigger person. I'm not trying to be an influencer. I'm just a human being, and I just want to be myself. It's just that I have a dream. It's just that I have an idea. And it's just that I want to show this world that if you decide something in your life, then you can. I just want to show my parents that I really did something in life. I just want to, show myself that I really did, I stood on my horse. I'm doing this for myself most importantly. Yes, most importantly, I am doing this, for myself because when I'll see, myself in the future, like when I'll be seeing myself in the, future, like I see myself right now in future where I have everything I want. Just because I showed up every single, just because I stood up, I stood on my words. So that's the thing. I'm doing this for myself, most importantly. So yeah, do it for yourself, most importantly. Whatever you have in your mind, dream, anything you have. Okay? And don't worry. Don't overthink. Don't stress out. Look at me. I'm not doing this perfectly. And no one does it perfectly. You have to keep in mind that if you just crave or keep waiting for perfect moment, perfect time, or perfection, then you're just going to keep waiting. Start, even if it's messy, even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Don't you remember in your childhood when you were learning cycling or anything, you failed, you fall, but with the time you got better, you learn how to cycle, you learn how to do things, right? Right? That's the point. So you will learn, you will understand the things of life. So it's okay if you mess up. It's okay if you make mistakes because look, it's a part of the journey. It's a part of the process. Without making mistakes, without failing, without falling, without messing up, how are you going to learn? Tell me. So it's a process. Okay, I'm failing, I'm falling, I'm making mistakes, I'm messing up. And in this 9 months, I have messed up a lot. I have made so many mistakes. I have failed so many times. I have fallen so many times. But I'm not giving up because of that. I'm not stopping this work because of that. And that's the point. It's okay. Be a human. Understand things. Okay? It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to fail. It's okay to fall. It's okay to, mess up. It's okay. You are a human being. Okay? Take care of yourself. And look, I can have a longer and longer conversation with you all and make this video longer and have a nice conversation with you all. And I really want that. But it's just that I need to take care of myself also. I need to, take rest right now also. I need to, take good care of myself also. That's the reason I'm not going to make this video longer like I usually make. But why I showed up today, why I'm making this video is because I care. It's because this is my love. This is my, passion. I'm passionate about this. I love this work. I like this work. and I can't give up. I will never give up on this work, no matter what situation I'm in, no matter I'm going through whatever it is. Like seriously, I'm not joking about it, okay? I'm seriously going through a lot right now. Literally so much. I'm processing a lot right now. You don't know about. And if you wanna know, look, I already mentioned that on 100K, I'm gonna, share my story, like what I'm going through, what I have been through in my life, like from a moment I was born, from that moment till now, everything about my life, I will tell you all, okay? I will share every single detail of my life on 100K. So if you want me to share my life and every single thing, then yeah, get me to the 100K and I will share. And look, I don't know my which video is gonna work or not, which video is gonna get views or not. I don't know. I know nothing. But I still show up and that's the message. That's the thing, I already mentioned that I want to show the world. That doesn't matter you get views or not, doesn't matter that you are getting result or not. If you decide something in your life, then you can. Okay, you are gonna get it. Show up every single day. Show up every single day. Don't give up. Never give up. Look at me, it's been 9 months. It's not a joke. I have uploaded 376 plus video, but none of those videos work. I never got views on those 376 plus videos. And that's the point. That's the point. Even after 376 plus videos, I still am sitting on 34 subscribers and no views on my channel. And that's the thing I want to show you, that I worked every single day for 9 months and still I don't have results. But still I'm not giving up, still I'm not stopping, because look, I understand that every human's journey is different. And that's why I say stop listening to the people on social media and influencers, because look, they are gonna say things like just work for 6 months, you will have results, just work for 3 months, you will have results, and this and that. But we have to understand every human's journey is different, every human's dreams and ideas are different. So no one knows how long it's gonna take for you. So don't give up. Whatever time you are in right now, like never give up. Look at me, it's been 9 months for me. But still I'm not giving up and I'm not gonna give up even if it's 1 year of me here. So that's the point, okay? Never give up. Don't stop. Just because someone said, or just because someone said like you are gonna get in 6 months or 3 months or whatever it is. People will say things on social media. People will come up and show their life on social media, but you don't have to get influenced by it, because it's your life. Do what you want to do what you like to do what you love to do, and live your life the way you want. And keep believing in yourself, okay? Trust yourself, believe in yourself, and never give up. Stay consistent and disciplined, okay? I believe in you, I trust you 110% for sure, okay? I really do trust you, I really do believe in you, and I'm saying this again, you are an amazing human being, okay? This family loves you. We all love you, okay? I love you. This family loves you. We all love you. You are not alone. You are important. Take care of yourself, okay? Treat yourself like someone you love, okay? And now, before I end this video, I'm gonna end this video, but before that, hey, hi, please, a disclaimer for everyone watching this. Look, I am not professional. I am not doctor. I am not a perfect human being. I'm just a human being like you all. And I can be wrong, I can make mistakes, I can, mess up. So correct me when I'm wrong, correct me when I mess up, correct me when I make mistakes, okay? And forgive me. I will correct myself, I will learn, I will grow, I will get better, okay? And I'm sorry for it, I apologize for it, okay? I'm not doing anything intentionally here. I'm just being real, I'm just being raw and honest, okay? I'm just going with the flow, because this is the way I make my videos, because I want to be real, I want to be myself. And I allow myself to make mistakes, I allow myself to mess up, because it's a process. Without making mistakes, without failing, without falling, how am I going to learn? So I am here to be better, I am here to get better, I'm here to learn, I'm here to make myself a better version. So I'm gonna fail, I'm gonna fall, I'm gonna mess up, I'm gonna make mistakes, but it's a part of the life. It's a part of the life. So yeah, it's okay. So correct me, okay? I already mentioned your disclaimer. So yeah. And tell me in the comment section which country are you from watching, because it's interesting to know that my videos are getting recommended in which country. Okay, and if it's morning where you live right now, then good morning, have a very very good day. I wish you a nice day. And if it's afternoon, then good afternoon. And if it's evening, then good evening. And if it's night and you're going to sleep after watching this, then good night. Have a very very good sleep, sweet dreams. And if you are having something while watching this, like lunch, breakfast, dinner, any kind of meal right now, then enjoy your meal, okay? Enjoy your meal. And if you still didn't have a glass of water, then please pour yourself a glass of water and drink water. You are important. Take care of yourself. If you still didn't have the food yet, then please eat something. Take care of yourself, okay? You are important. And yeah, that's it. Well, hey, you can suggest me anything you want to suggest, like any series, any movie, any song, any book, anything you want to suggest, you can suggest. Any video, anything you want to suggest. You can share also anything you want to share. You can, have a conversations about anything you want to have a conversation about. You can give me feedback also. I'm open to it. I'm open to everything. Okay, I'm a human and I'm allowing myself to learn. So yeah, go give me some knowledge, make me learn or whatever it is. Okay. And yeah, hey, make someone's day. I already mentioned that this family believes in humanity, so I'm gonna say this again in this video also, that hey, make this comment section alive by making this positive comment section. Because look, if someone is going through something and if someone is reading your comment and if you said something positive, then it will make their day, right? So make someone's day. Okay, share something positive, share something, motivating, share something, uh, like you hugged someone, say something good. Okay, share something good in comment section. Or even if you want to crack a joke in comment section, then crack a joke, like make someone smile, make someone, have joy, right? So yeah, crack joke, share anything you want to share, just make this comment section alive, okay? And if you're a human who believes in humanity, and if you're a human like me who understands the human emotions and who takes care of themselves also and who go through a lot but still show up every single day, and yeah, comment white heart. And another thing, that we are here to spread love, we are here to spread positive, we are here to spread kindness, okay? Because look, I believe in this, okay? I really do. And I'm here to spread kindness, spread love, spread positivity, because I believe in those things, I believe in those values. Because look, we all are human beings at the end of the day, and we all deserve love, we all deserve care, we all deserve kindness, we all deserve respect. So yeah, I'm here to respect everyone, I'm here to respect, I'm here to spread love, spread kindness, spread positivity, okay? Make this world a better place for everyone. So yeah, do that. And thank you. Okay, I know I have messed up a lot in this video, but still, it's okay. I'm learning. I'm getting better with the time. And please don't judge this video, don't judge me, or don't judge this journey of transformation by just one video. Because look, this is a long journey. I'm not gonna end this journey on 200 days or 1,000 days or 5,000 days. This is a long journey. I'm gonna do this till I retire, for sure. I'm not joking about it. Okay, I'm gonna do this till I retire. So yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being the part of the journey of transformation. My name is Kaz and you're watching this journey of transformation. This is the day 194 of the journey of transformation. I will see you all in the next video. Till then, have a good time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and toodles. Yeah, toodles.